Hello everyone, welcome back. We are in episode 18 of our backtesting, and after this episode we will only have 2 left, and as usual we will go into analytics to see where we were during our last backtest, and you can see that our win rate is 39% and we are up 221% since we started the backtest. And if we go down here for 2023, we are up 35%, and we backtested January, February, March, April, May, and June. So for this session, we will try to do August to September. In the next session, October to December. And the last session gonna be January to the beginning of May. So without further ado, let's go and start the backtest thing itself. We put my fair value gap indicator by forex replay, and then we put this to 10 and UTC -4, and as you can see we are on Monday and it's July. So let's begin. Look for a fair value gap. Alright, we have one, so we will take a short position, 1 to 2. Let me place the trade and let's see. Okay, it's 11, so we cancel the limit order. Yeah, okay, this 18, so alright, this is the 10th. We have a long position. Take here 1 to 2. Okay, let's see. We are in, so I will go to the next session. And let's see here if we're gonna get the fair value gap. Okay. We have a long position here. This is a fair value gap, so we take a long position, 1 to 2. Place the trade. We are in, so I'll go to the 1 hour, and we are out with stop loss. So we'll move to the next session. 5 minutes. We have a short position to take here, 1 to 2. Let me place the trade. We are not out, we are in. Let me go to the 1 hour. I think we're going up. Yep, we are out with stop loss. Five minutes. Long position. So far no win. Everything is a loss. We are not in the trade. Okay, 11 a.m. took us in, and we are out with stop loss. Move to the next session. 5 minutes. Short position. 1 to 2. Place the trade. We are in, so I'm gonna go to the 1, and we are out with stop loss. Long position. One to 2. We are in, so I'm gonna go to the 1 hour, and we are out with stop loss. Five minutes. Long position. Let's see. We are in. Hopefully this is a win. This was a win, so we'll move to the next session. 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. We have a long position, 1 to 2. Let's see. I think we're going down. Stop loss. Let's see here. Which is a Monday. No fair value gap yet. Alright, there will be no trade. We move to the next day. Oh, we had a short. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. I feel like we had short position that we're supposed to take, but I did not see it and it's went past. Alright, this was TP, so we'll move to the next session. Five minutes. Let's see. Alright, we have a bullish fair value gap. Hopefully it's not liquidity sweep. 1 to 2. Paste the trade. Liquidity sweep. Alright, move to the next day. I don't think we're gonna be profitable in July. Alright, we have a short position. 1 to 2. And let's place the trade and see. We are in and out of TP, so move to the next session. Okay, let's see here. Alright, we have a bullish tiny fair value gap. 1 to 2. Place the trade. One candle and we out. Only one candle. 5 minutes. We have a long position. 1 to 2. And let's see. We are in. So I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. This was TP. So I'll move to the next session. It's 26. No fair value gap yet. Alright, we have one. So I'm gonna take a short position. 1 to 2. Yeah, alright, I think it's 11. Yes, 11, so there will be no trade. Short position. 1 to 2. It's the trade. We are in, so I'm gonna go to the 1 hour and we are out with TP. Okay, it's past 11, so we move to the next session. Reach the 31st. We have a long position. If this is a loss, we will end this month in the losing. This will be a losing month. Hopefully it's a win. Let's see. Place the trade. We are in. So I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. We are out with stop loss, so move to the next day. which is all right. Okay, so let's go and check the analytics. I think we were almost break even. Yes, almost break even. So we were down minus 0.5% like we were in January. So let's go and do for August to see. Okay, let me put this 10 to see -4 and my fair value gap, excuse me, fair value gap indicator by forex replay. Oh, I no fair value gap yet. I think we're gonna get one. Yes, we have a bearish fair value gap, so we're gonna take a short position, 1 to 2, and let's see where we're gonna go. I think we stop loss. Yeah, stop loss. We'll move to the next session. All right, we have a short position, 1 to 2. Hopefully we get our first win. All right, in. So go to the 1 hour. We have our first win. So move to the next session. All right, we have a short position, 1 to 2. Place the trade. We are in. I think it's gonna be stop loss. Yes. So we move to the next session. 5 minute short position. Yeah. 1 to 2. Okay. In 1 hour. Out we stop loss. All right, long position. No long, so it's got to be this one. 1 to 2. It looks like we're going back down, but you never know. Okay. Stop loss, so we'll move to the next session. 5 minute short position. 1 to 2. Let's see. We are in. I think this is gonna be stop loss also. Okay, it's not good. We have a fair value gap. So 1 to 2. Okay, it's 11. So next session. Okay, we have one. 1 to 2. Let's see. It's 11, so no trade. We move to the next session. Long position. Look at this. It's almost went to TP. Go to the next session. All right, long position. 1 to 2. In 1 hour. This one was TP. We'll move to the next session. Short position. 1 to 2. Stop. It's a bullish fair value gap here. So 1 to 2. And let's see. Alright, we are in, so I'm going to the 1 hour. Out with stop loss, so I'm on to the next session. 17. Short position. Alright. Stop loss. Oh. It's August, man. Let's see here. We have a bullish fair value gap. 1 to 2. Alright, this one was TP. So we go to the next session. It's a long position here. That's really tight. 1 to 2. Stop loss. Was expected. 5 minutes. Okay. Short position. 1 to 2. Okay, let me go to the 1 hour. No, this should have been a win. I think I put it more than 2. No, it's not. So next session. This was a loss also. Oh, this August was long position. It's the trade. All right, let's see here. Short position. If we can get like 2 or 3 wins, then we can go back to break even. It's still not 11. It is now, so no trade. Look at candles all over the place. Let's take a short position. One to 2. It's 11, so there will be no trade. A minute. Alright, long position. And you do it like this. This is not gonna end well. Long position. Okay, the 30th, short position. 1 to 2. One hour. Stop loss. 31st. Long position. Loss. August was bad, really bad. I think the win rate came back to 38. Yes, 38. I think we are down. We are down 5% in August. So far we are down 6% in this session. Let's see what September gonna bring. Let me put this back to 10. And indicator. I'm just putting it back to 10 for the first few candles. Like this. And then we go to the 5 minute. We have a short trade here. 1 to 2. Hopefully November is good. It's 11, so no trade. We move to the next session. Short position. 1 to 2. No, it's 11, so no trade. We move to the next session. Oh, it's a long position right here. Let me see. I don't know if we're coming back. It's on the wing. That was a win that we just missed. Oh, this is too big. Let me just go to the middle here. 1 to 2. $11, so no trade. 5 minute. Long position. We should have had 2 wins already. Okay, 1 hour. This should have been 3 wins in a row. Can you imagine? 5 minutes. Long position. 1 to 2. Let's see. In 1 hour. How do we stop loss? 5 minutes. Short position. Okay, let me see. Stop loss. Short position. Let's see. Okay, it's 11, so no trade. 5 minutes. Short position. 1 to 2. Stop loss. We are back into less than 200%. Long position. 1 to 2. $11, so no trade. We move to the next session. Short position. Look how we're gonna put it stop loss in this. It's too tight. See, it's 11, so no trade. We move to the next session. Short position. Oh, fair value though. I mean, stop loss. Short position. Stop loss after stop loss after stop loss. Look to the 1 hour. Now the stop loss. Man, this is crazy. Short position. Alright, this was TP. Five minutes. Stay long here, even if we are on the downtrend. Maybe we come for this liquidity. Alright, we weren't able to get in the trade, so we cancel and move to the next day. Long position. To the 1 hour. Stop loss. Five minutes. Short position. Stop loss. Very soon. What did I say? Short position. Stop loss. Oh. It's the worst session ever. Everything is just stop loss. And I think it's gonna be stop loss. At least we have TP. 28. Long position. Hopefully it's a higher low to continue up. Okay, it's 11 already, so we no trade. Short position. Let's see. TP. Okay, that was the last trade. So let's go and see. I think we didn't do well this session. The win rate is 38 and we are still up 200%. And let's go down here. As you can see, We're down 0.05 in July, down almost 6% in August. So that August is not a good month. And then down around 0.08%. So far this year, we are still up 27%. And we still have 3 months to back test to finish this year. So that will be all for today's session. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video and like it. And I will see you in the next session, episode 19.